Hi guys, today we're going to make a custom cartoon style Air Forces. Before the painting process, I'm going to prepare the shoes correctly. So we're going to use acetone, any brand will do, and we're going to wipe off any excessive substances and destructive oils from the surface of the trainer. For the painting, I'm going to use 3 different sizes of brushes, all of them made out of natural hair. And when it comes to the paint, I'm going to use the best on the market Angelus leather paint. I usually pour and mix my colors in the cap of the bottle, but you can use any plate you want. I start with the widest brush, since it covers the biggest areas really. This is layer number 1, but in this particular work, I made 4 layers, just in order to cover all tiniest half transparent bits and any sort of brush strokes that obviously will leave while painting the first layer. The first layer is really a base, so we aim to cover the particular areas with the color we've chosen, but you're gonna see now how 3 layers of paint can cover the actual trainer pretty nicely. So at this point, I'm gonna do all the details. So this was part of the design to kind of establish particular areas in the trainers. This is actually a custom artwork for my client, so I wanted the finish to be perfect. As I said, I applied 3 coats previously, but I still saw some sort of imperfection in the layers, so I decided to add 1 more coat. This is the part where we're going to do all the detailing and cartoon-like effects. I guess it's pretty straightforward from the video and you can just follow the guidelines of what I'm doing. Okay, so the detailing is done, and at this point I'm going to remove any imperfections or excess paint, which is pretty common when you do paint by hand. Again, I'm using acetone and a cotton pad, but please be very careful because you don't want to ruin your artwork, you just want to make it more neat and clean. At this point, I usually sign my work, and you should do the same. Yep, they look cool, don't you think? But anyway, as a last stage of our painting process, we're going to use Angelus Acrylic Finisher in matte. I am not paid to do the Angelus promotion, by the way. I just think the product is really good itself. And as a part of the last stage, we're going to cover the entire shoe, the entire artwork with the matte acrylic finisher. These babies are ready to go. So now we're going to pack them. I am very careful when it comes to my artwork and advise my clients to do the same. So I always provide them with the materials and equipment to protect the artwork. Like in this case, I always add on a cotton pouch so that I can store the trainers in. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, whether you're going to make the trainers yourself or order from Nova Art Studio.